The end of a certain thing shall be treated as to start something new. What is the meaning of that? You finish a certain thing. This means you have something which you start as a new activity or direction. There is no tomorrow. There is no tomorrow. That's the reason why you've got to value today. As for you to think of your life, what your needs shall be. You need to be all the time ready to use full energy to do any of activities. No explanation is necessary to you. Human life is transient. It is no exaggeration to say that. You have this moment just now. Later on, you don't have the same. You cannot taste the same water again. Make hay while the sun shines. As for you to contemplate the essence of your life, you want to be standing upon a stage to differentiate between the two. Time now and time you have in the future. For you to go forth, I'd like to have double mentality yourself. I'd like you to contemplate all of the things. As for you to experience introspection and simultaneously extrospection. It doesn't matter where you are now. You are here, standing upon one of tiny rocks floating in the solar system, in one of the galaxies in the universe. Otherwise, are you ready to philosophize the existence of multiverse? I tell, those are not important for you to think of, because the reality you have is you're breathing now here on the surface of one of tiny rocks floating as an infinitesimal being. You got to be sagacious enough to think of this. Furthermore, you need to be sage enough to think of this.